Hello everyone, in this video we have a very nice trigonometry question. Tan x plus 3 cot x minus 5 sec x equals 0, and we have to find the true set of x. But please, before we start, don't forget to subscribe, press the notification bell for more videos. Thank you. Now let's get started. Now in this question, what we have to do first is to remember our trig identity. So trig identity for tan, cot, sec. So we will have tan equals sine divides cos, and cot equals cos divides sine, and sec equals 1 out of cos. So with this identity, we will replace tan with its identity, cot with its identity, sec with its identity. So you have sin x divides cos x plus 3 cos divides sin x minus 5 times 1 out of cos x equals 0. So we will have sin x divides cos x plus 3 cos x divides sin x minus this one multiplies, you will have 5 divides cos x equals 0. So from here we will find LCM. So our LCM is sine cos. So we will multiply through by sin x cos x. So our sin x cos x multiplying sin x divides cos x plus our sin x, that's our LCM, cos x, multiplying the whole of this one, 3 cos x divides sin x minus our sin x cos x multiplying 5 divides cos x equals 0. So now this one cancel this one, so you have sin squared x plus this sign also cancel this one, so I'll have 3 cos squared x, and this one cancel this one, so I have negative 5 sin x for 0. So from here we also know this trig identity as sin squared x plus cos squared x equals 1. So making cos the subject, so cos squared x equals 1 minus sin squared x. So in place of this cos squared, you will put this one there. So I will have sin squared x plus 3. So in place of this, I'll put this one there as 1 minus sin squared x, bracket closes, minus 5 sin x equals 0. So sin squared x plus this one multiplies this one as 3 minus 3 sin squared x minus 5 sin x equals 0. So now we have sin squared s, sin squared s, so we will add it. So 1 minus 3 becomes negative 2 sin squared x minus 5 sin x plus 3 equals 0. So this negative multiplies to, we change it as sin squared x plus 5 sin x minus 3 equals 0. So now here we have a quadratic equation in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. So now we can factorize this equation. So after the factorization, you have 2 sin x minus 1 and sin x plus 3 equals 0. So now we have 2 sin x minus 1 equals 0, sin x plus 3 equals 0. So from here, 2 sin x equals 1. So our sin x equals 1 out of 2. And we come here to, you have sin x equals negative 3. Now let's take this sin x equals negative 3. This does not exist because the value for sin ranges from negative 1 to 1 inclusive. So we will not consider this one. Now let's take our sin x equals 1 out of 2. So our x becomes x equal to sine inverse of 1 out of 2. Now using our calculator, it will give us 30 degrees. So our x equals 30 degrees. But this is not only solution for x. We have 150 degrees. So this gives us the true set of this equation. Now the reason why the calculator didn't give us this one, but we have this one, part of the equation is that the graph of sine is a repeating pattern. So there are 2 places it will intercept in one wave. So these are the 2 places the sine graph intersects. So this is our value or the true set for the equation. Thank you for watching the video. And don't forget to subscribe, press the notification bell for more videos. Thank you.